spiritual sacrifice. There blazes the mystic fire of aspiration on the sacred altar of my heart. The smoke spirals its way to the heavens. The aroma permeates the atmosphere. The fire of sacrifice blazes bright, revealing the glorious self. As oblations, I poured the fuel of sentiments and thoughts that are confined to mundane values and that are restricted by the force of mortality. And I poured my very mortal existence in the glorious fire of cosmic sacrifice. All names and forms have vanished with the revelation of the eternal self. Glory to divine Yajna, spiritual sacrifice.